Hi, I'm Adam. This is my last training hike before I head off to Kilimanjaro. Yes, I am very excited for this. We're going to tackle this adventure head on.
The reason why I chose to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, I wanted to do something for myself and something that would challenge me too. And I just feel that when they see their mammy climbing the highest freestanding mountain in Africa, I think that it will just inspire them.
And I'm here with Louise, here at 53 degrees north, upcoming adventure.
I think it was around 15 years ago I climbed Kili with a really good bunch of guys. Great leveler because you find out who can adapt, who can't adapt. 2 of the 10 didn't summit. 2 of them got really sick. I think about 30% of people that go there actually fail. It's about taking your time. Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing the stories when they come back.
We're 6 days out from our trip. The excitement's building.
Really looking forward to it, and this is sort of the next step now in our journey.
Loads of people drink water and lemon in the morning just to kickstart their body. But if you don't do that at altitude, you're in trouble because you just won't be able, the food will come out and you won't feel hungry. If you don't eat, you're in trouble. 2 or 3 days in, you haven't really eaten. 9 times out of 10, you won't summit. To make sure the socks are really, really well fitting. That's why you compete on the heel, because that lifting motion in your boot all day long. Really important as well is a neck gaiter. People get all the good headgear, but they forget, like, your neck's like a chimney. Oh, the heat comes out here.
It's going to be hard. We're under no illusions of this trip going to be anyway easy, but it is a challenge and we're definitely up for the challenge.
You've obviously done a lot of hard work and a lot of training. Now it's the time to enjoy it. The work is done, so I think you're really positive about the trip, so I wish you all the best and look forward to hearing all the tales when you get back.
Hi, we have arrived here at Kilimanjaro National Park and we're going to start here at the Mashane Gate.
Time for adventure to start.
Sun is out for the second day, no rain. Day 2, spirits are up high. Shout out to 53 degrees north and mountain equipment for giving us a hand with our specialised equipment.
Climbed the famous Barranco wall. The wall itself, it was scrambling all the way to the top. It was just amazing. We now arrived at Karanga Camp. The elevation is 3,930.
Yeah, how many millimetres have fallen overnight?
Well, 3 millimetres.
It's good, yeah. That's very good.
We all made it to the top. We all completed this amazing journey. Looking back on it now and reflecting that we're at home, and just to thank the amazing people that gave us so much information, helped us with equipment, 53 degrees north mountain equipment, and just sat us down and explained to us what we actually need to embark on this journey. To people who was asking us, can they do it? Yeah, of course you can do it. Contact the best people. 53 degrees north, they will explain everything that you need to have equipment-wise. Then listen to the people that have done it before. This is a journey of a lifetime, and definitely yes, you can do it, anybody can do it.
If you're ever thinking about embarking on a trip like this, any kind of journey like high altitude or camping, I'll be on the 53 degree north Adventure Club hikes. So just come over to me anytime and ask me any questions. Book that flight, take that adventure, summit that mountain.